Okay, so for the first one, we have r growing with as a function of theta. So as the rotation gets larger, the radius gets larger. Okay, and it does this for 16 pi. So 2 pi, right? 2 pi is 1 rotation. 16 pi is 8 rotations. So it looks like it's going to be either this one or this one because it just constantly grows, right? In fact, I have b here, which r is equal to theta squared. Okay, so that means, you know, the radius is longer than the size of the rotation. Okay, so which one looks like the radius is longer than the size of rotation? Okay, if that's hard to answer, let's visualize y is equal to x, root of x, which looks like this, and y equals x squared, which looks like this. Okay, so so in this case, this is theta, right? Here, as theta grows, okay, note what happens to the actual y values. The y values don't grow as fast. Do you see how the space between in here gets narrower? This one actually will get wider. Right, so here it is. Look at that, it's getting wider. Right, even wider. So which one has a space growing wider? It's this one. So this is going to be B, and this is going to be 5. Okay. Okay, so let's observe C. Now, when theta is 0, cosine is 1. Okay, so we start at 1/3 and we shrink to 0 at pi over 2, right? So which one starts at 1/3? Okay, so the only one that looks like it's starting on the theta, right? On the axis here, that's starting at 1/3 is this one, right? And then approaching 0. So it's got to be this one. For D, it's also when it's 0, it's going to start at 3, right? And then it's going to not come to 0 because of this 1. It's going to come to 1. So it's going to start at 3 and come to 1 is this one here. Okay, so these 4, these 3, 4 are taken care of. Okay, so what about this? Okay, this one here starts with a radius of 2 when theta is 0. And this one here starts with a radius of 1 when theta is 0. This one here looks like it's intersecting here, shorter, and this is, of course, has a starting point that's a lot bigger than this, right? So we would have to pick this one to be this one, and that one to be this one.